We welcome you to the Winning Team Education System Global Entrepreneurship Movement. Now, when we welcome you today, we definitely encourage you to focus on one area, and that is your thoughts. The ability to know how to think is far better than knowing what to think. Yeah, what we think really doesn't matter. How we think does. We are all growing through this phase called COVID. We've seen one phase called pre-COVID era. Now what we are going to witness is the post-COVID era. And this is a game changer in many ways. Undoubtedly, COVID-19 has taken away so many things from us, but COVID-19 has also given us a lot of things. Now, this being a business presentation and you being an entrepreneur, you need to identify yourself. Which industry would you want to pitch in? Well, a data analyst, specialist, experts are giving us some pointers that the potential losers of this industry, of this time, are tourism and leisure, airline, aviation and maritime, automobile sector, construction, real estate, all in the red. Manufacturing, the country that I come from, India, 20 lakh crores is what the government has set aside to bring back the SME sector in shape. Financial services in disarray. No major investments happening ever. Speculations, but no actual investments happening. The education industry, which was considered to be a very secure industry, that industry itself is in the doldrums. We know of so many teachers who have lost their job. We know of so many schools who are shutting down. We know of so many schools who plan to begin school back again in January 2021. Oil and gas at its all-time lowest. So which are the industries that you and I need to watch out, look out for? Agriculture, e-commerce, information communication technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, personal and healthcare, food processing and retail, medical supply and services. And this is the most opportune time for Ayurveda. The science of life. Wellness is what we know popularly as. Well, the world knows yoga, but yoga is just one chapter of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the mother of all wellness. And the whole world is now going to come knocking at Ayurveda's door because the potential of managing this post-COVID era lies in the secret of immunity, wellness. So welcome to this presentation of the pre and post. Well, what is the newspaper staring at us loud? Well, all news says 40 million jobs at risk and more than lakhs of people wanting to come back to their own countries because they've lost their job. Khaleej Time reported half of the world's workers could soon be jobless. Well, if all this is what is taken away from us, what has been given to us? The solution that has come is work from home. Corporates, educational institutes, government agencies have all opted for this option, and they're trying to streamline work from home. Before we get into the depth of this presentation, we have a few questions for you. One, are you secure as far as your job, your business, your finance, and your health is concerned? Have you found a source to substitute your income? Who wakes you up? Your dream wakes you up or your alarm? Well, if your alarm is waking you up, it's a very alarming situation. Dreams are the ones that should be actually waking you up. Then when we talk in terms of with an open mind, exploring an additional source of income, and are you ready to change your monthly expenses to an investment? Please underline this sentence, important one. Do you like to connect with people? Have you established a system where you're working from home, generating income? How have you protected the health of your family? See, lockdown is opening up in phases. There are many countries where the lockdown is already open. Very soon, international travel is going to begin. All this is happening. So how are you going to protect yourself? Gloves, mask, two things you and I can wear. What else can we do? What is important is protecting our immune system. Life is definitely not going to be the same. You're not going to be walking into restaurants, eating out of plate and spoons and cutlery that others have used. You're not going to be drinking from the same glass that others have sipped. You're not going to be trying clothes in your malls without knowing how many other people have tried the same pair of shirt or whatever dress we are trying to look into. Things are going to change. The secret and the key to maintain health is going to be our immune system. Is wellness. Sheikh Mohammed tweeted on the 10th of April, even when the lockdown was getting in, that the coronavirus spread has shown that healthcare is the main power that shapes economy and politics at a time when a disease brought nations to a standstill. Healthcare, wellness, please write this down. And how do you and I understand health? We think not being sick is health. No way. Health as defined by WHO is health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. I am not sick doesn't mean I am healthy. Well, health can be scaled if you look at these parameters. Rate yourself from a scale, from star, give yourself stars, 1 to 5, 1 being the least, 5 being the most. Energy, when you wake up, what is your level of energy? Rate yourself 1 to 5. Appetite. Hunger decides when you eat, or the time decides when you eat. If the time decides when you eat, you're leading a mechanical life. Hunger is what should be driving you and me to actually eat. Sleep. It is not the number of hours we sleep. That doesn't really matter. The depth. The quality of sleep, how sound we sleep. Cleansing includes urination, stools, sweat, monthly cycle for women, and all these natural processes have to go without any block, any flow, any stop. Cleansing. Fifth is clarity of thought. Now, when these 5 elements are balanced, you and I can consider ourselves to be healthy. I'm sure your rating is with you. You've already evaluated your own health. Then there comes personal growth, spiritual growth, participating in a project where you are leaving a legacy behind. So friends, answer yes or no. That is why we recommended at the very outset of this presentation, please sit with a notebook and a pen. This is a strategic planning meeting where you're going to be making a very important strategic decision. Answer in yes or no. Who wakes you up? Does your dream wake you up? Do you want to secure yourself financially? Are you ready to explore an additional source of income? Are you ready to convert your monthly expenses to an investment? Do you like to connect with people? Do you want to explore a business which is work from home? Do you want to protect the health of your family and self? Are you willing to learn and develop new skill sets to develop both personally and spiritually? Do you want to leave a legacy behind? Well, friends, if you have answered even one yes to any of these questions, you are at the right place. Because we have a firm belief in one philosophy: time is money. But then time is limited. We have only 24 hours. And 24 hours is not effort time. There is sleep time, eat time, relax time, TV time, WhatsApp time. And in between, there is work time. Grown up as we are, we get paid only for the number of hours that we put in our work. But then time is limited, effort is limited. What if we find a system, a tool, where we can leverage our time, multiply our time and effort? But to understand this multiplication and leverage of time and effort, what you really need to understand is the philosophy of wealth creation. The philosophy of wealth creation. You know, everybody tends to go into a saving mode. Saving mode is not going to get you wealthy. If at all you need to think, you can even think about earning more. Why only saving more? I'm not demeaning saving. Saving is important. Saving is required at this time. But your thoughts cannot be oriented only on saving, saving, saving. You can even start thinking about increasing your earning potential. You know, whenever we send this message across to people, a lot of my friends call me up and they say, excuse me, is this a job opportunity? Are you offering a job? And then we ask them, why are you looking for a job? You know what is happening in the job sector. No, we want security. We want a secure income. We want to make a secure career. We need security in relationship, security in family, security. Well, if you're looking for so much security in life, prison is the place where there is so much security, but there is no freedom. You need to make a choice. So here when we are talking in terms of philosophy of wealth creation, look at what analysts are saying, what experts are saying. 49 million people are going to be pushed towards poverty. In India, we call it the below poverty line. And there is a BPL that exists across the world. 49 million people are going to be pushed towards poverty only on account of COVID and lockdown. Globally, the economy is going to take a decade to recover from this lockdown. A decade, 10 years. Can you give me one reason? Can you give me one reason why 49 million people are going to be pushed towards poverty? You think it is because of the situation? Well, all of us have the same situation. 100 plus days, all of us sitting at home. Same situation. Shops closed, offices closed, no travel. Situation is the same for all. Then how come 49 million people are going to land under the poverty line? It is not the situation, friends. It is the thoughts. Below poverty thoughts and actions are going to take you below poverty line. Above prosperity thoughts and actions are going to take you much above the poverty and push you into the prosperity line. You need to make a choice now. Because when we explore the world of philosophy of wealth creation, there are 4 known sources of income. I would definitely encourage you to read the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Go through the cash flow quadrant on YouTube. Understand for yourself. There are 2 types of income in the world, active income, passive income. Active income on the left-hand side is limited to the employees and self-employees. Why? Because they trade their time for money. They invest time, they get money. Now, some of our friends are doing work from home. Maybe they are in the IT sector, they are in operations. At the beginning of the lockdown, they got a desktop, they got a laptop, they're working from home. They're getting paid. Some of them could be experiencing deduction in salary, but salary is coming. But what about our friends who are not able to show up at work? Well, no salary because they trade their time for money. No time, no money. Self-employed, chartered accountants, lawyers, doctors, engineers, corporate trainers, small restaurant owners, self-employed. Everything is shut. No income. Clinic is closed. No income for the doctor. Office is closed. No income for the entrepreneur. Why? We are on the left side. Employee, self-employee. This income is active. 5% of the global wealth is on this side. 95% of the population is on this side. Well, now let's move to the right-hand side. Business owner, investor. A business owner, a businessman, a businesswoman sets a system. System generates money. When an investor invests money, money makes money. This income is passive income, residual income. They need not be present physically to make this money. One of the top 5 richest men on planet Earth, Warren Buffett, time and again on various platforms, wakes up people by saying, if you haven't found a source of income that is coming into your bank even while you sleep, you are going to die poor. You're going to work till you are going to die. I mean, work, and then die. What is he trying to wake us up to? A system that generates money 24/7, 365. We need to get this right. You have a plan A in place. Your existing job, your business. We are not here to upset that. Continue with that. Why don't you explore a plan B? But there are 3 criteria in the post-COVID era that should be there for a plan B. 1, no investment. 2, no risk. 3, the income should be passive and residual. If you're looking for something like this, you have to explore online business ideas, digital marketing. You need to explore e-commerce. And well, there is a highway traffic jam when we talk in terms of digital marketing and e-commerce. Well, one of the top 5 industrial houses in India, Reliance, what were they busy with during the lockdown? Do you think they came up with a new mall, a new car? They dug a new oil well? They came up with a new factory? No. They shook hands with Facebook, and what they're launching is called as JioMart, an e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform to bring household groceries to your doorstep. What did Swiggy do? Swiggy can be compared to an app like Zomato in UAE, delivering food at home. But all restaurants shutting down, what will they deliver? So Swiggy started a new startup, Swiggy Genie. And now they're going to bring household products to your door. Now look at above poverty thoughts. This is above poverty thoughts. This is prosperity thinking. E-commerce, online business ideas. So friends, 15 minutes through this presentation. Have you caught the pulse of this presentation? What is the next big thing? The next big thing is online business ideas and wellness. I hope you've caught on to this. This is the next big thing. And when you take a good look at your phone, ask yourself, when did your phone become smart? Not the day you bought it. The applications that you downloaded in your phone made your phone smart. Smart applications gives you a smartphone. Go to your Play Store and download now Vestige Online Shopping app and Best Deals app. Yes, you can own Walmart without walls. You can own Flipkart without carts. We are offering you an online business idea for free. Get connected with the friend who has shared this link with you, and they will share more about how you download this app and how you get used to this app. The moment you download this app, you become a part of a consumer empowerment opportunity. Why? By changing the app, by downloading this app, we have only asked you to change your shop. You remember my question to you? Do you want to convert your monthly expenses to your investment? Well, this is it. Change your shop. Use the brand Vestige Best Deals. Now your question will be why? Well, whatever product and services you have at home is your monthly expense. When you start buying the same product and services from Vestige Best Deals, this becomes your monthly investment. It becomes a source of earning. Common sense, friends. Change your shop now. Take a good look at your home. Make a list. Now that you're sitting with a book and a pen, how many of you bought a new television set in the last 3 months? How many of you bought a new car? How many of you bought new upholstery? How many of you changed the furnishing in your house? None of these. But in the last 3 months, have you been regular with your purchase of toothpaste, soap, detergent, dishwasher, floor cleaner, hand wash, hair oil, shampoo, conditioner, tea, coffee, cooking oil, rice? I can go on. These are essentials. And in all the countries where 100% lockdown was imposed, the government made sure that the stores selling essential products and services will be open. Online business ideas, I shared with you, all business houses are running into grocery business. Well, that is where the money is, FMCG. You and I have been spending money, expenses every month on these products. But these products can actually become a source of income. Change your shop now. Our range is wide. We have got health food. We've got an awesome range of personal care products, home care products, color cosmetics, skin care series, state-of-the-art plasma cluster technology, air purifiers from Sharp, state-of-the-art technology, water purifiers from Sharp, all exclusive with the store. Essential product and services, already huge discounts offered. We've got a range of agriculture range of products, plant and soil nutrients. Then we've got a super range of healthy food supplements? Well, the Institute for Functional Medicines, which is highly referred and recommended by most of the leading physicians, released a document on COVID-19, nutraceutical and botanical recommendations for patients of COVID-19, the hot topic for today. And most of the supplements that they're recommending is already available with us. So shake hands with nature. Natural and economical food supplements available with us. And to boost our immunity, the government of India issued a guidelines in public interest. Drink warm water throughout the day. Daily practice yoga, pranayama, meditation at least 30 minutes every day. Use spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, garlic in your cooking. A lot of experts have come together to give us this recommendation. There must be science behind this recommendation. You and I need not decode what the science is. We need to just follow. And what does a lot of scripture says? Food they consider to be the universe. It's called Annapurna Brahma. Food is the whole universe. The father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, says, quote, let food be thy medicine, medicine be thy food, unquote. But this was a time when food had full of nutrition. Today, there is missing nutrition in our diet. And evidence of this is low hemoglobin, B12 deficiency, vitamin D3 deficiency. So please don't waste time in arguing and debating that we have plenty of food and we don't need supplements. Well, if you have so much of food in your plate, where is hemoglobin, B12 and D3 gone? COVID came now, friends, but we have been battling this from a long time. So we need to be a little particular. We need to pay a little more attention to what this presentation is leading us to. Oxidative stress is showing up in aging. Lifestyle disorders. If your tea looks like this, you're actually having tea. If you're adding tea with milk, you're actually consuming poison. Watch out. Lifestyle. Plenty of food, but no nutrition. Childhood obesity on the rise. PCO problems in young women and girls. Infertility, acidity, stress. Well, the tree of today looks like this, a barren tree. And what are the fruits on the tree? Cancer, diabetes, anxiety, thyroid, obesity, PCOS, heart disease, hormonal imbalances, hypertension. Heart disease even now is the leading cause of death in India, not corona. And I guess the worldwide statistics will be the same. Now, what is in the root? Processed food, stress, lack of sleep, smoking, alcohol, lack of socializing, inactivity, unhealthy diet. And over and above, a very important missing taste in our diet. Look at what has been served for you today. There is sweet, there is salt, there is spice, there is tangy, everything. But bitter is missing. And bitter is better. Because whatever is bitter on the tongue is good for health. Whatever is sweet on the tongue is unhealthy. You and I have loaded ourselves with so much of sweet and we have lost out on bitter. Well, when you start consuming food supplements, the bitter taste comes back into your life. Some lifestyle changes. If you're still storing water and you're drinking water out of the fridge, it's an alarming situation. Change now. Enjoy your meal with your family. Don't be in a hurry. Relax and enjoy your meal. It has got amazing benefits. Parenting, big confusion. If I have to say this in Hindi, that is where the spelling mistake comes. Parents are taking care of their child's portion. Now, portion is something that is syllabus, which the school is supposed to cover. As parents, you have to be responsible for the portion, nutrition of your child. So when you and I were appearing for an exam in school and college, and when the main answer sheet got over, we raised our hands and we asked for supplements, paper supplements. Similarly, friends, take a good look at the plate that you're eating from. There is a lot of missing nutrition in your plate. It's time to raise our hands and ask for food supplements. Nutritional supplements in your diet, adjuvant to medication and supports the body in healing naturally. This does not substitute food. This does not substitute medication. When we talk of supplements, they should be natural and economical. Main criteria. And Vestige gives us an amazing range of natural food supplements at economical price. An amazing range of Ayurvedic formulated products, good for diabetes, heart, respiratory disorders, for the liver, for the kidney, detoxification, and a super range of food supplements like curcumin, spirulina, flax oil, cranberry, calcium, iron folic. So yeah, friends, when you're talking in terms of air, food, and water, we've got it all covered. Air polluted, water contaminated, food adulterated. Under one store, Vestige Best Deals, we are covering your air, food, and water. But a lot of questions pop up in your mind. How for whom, supplements for whom, how much, how long, side effect, why Vestige? Simple answers. Who needs to consume food supplements? A 1-day-old baby to grow to the elderly in our family. Everybody needs supplements. How much? I would say even too much is too little. Our body is so deficient and deprived of nutrition that how much ever you take is less. But start with some few supplements. We are going to recommend a few to you. How long? As long as you want to remain healthy. Any side effects? Absolutely no. How are we so confident about side effect? We are so confident that there are no side effects because all these products are natural, and natural products don't have side effect. Artificial ones do. Why Vestige? This is the most economical and international standard qualified and accredited. So yeah, friends, when you're looking in terms of supplements, keep this golden message in mind. Food supplements are not medicines. You need to remember this. For the immunity of your family, the Winning Team Education System brought together experts, MD Medicine, integrated Ayurveda, expert in homeopathy, from the pharma background, a wellness coach. Everybody came together and devised 3 packs. The basic pack comprises of spirulina, avla, curcumin, panch tulsi, and giloy plus. The premium pack includes spirulina, avla, curcumin, sea buckthorn, coconut oil, Gano coffee, panch tulsi, and giloy plus. For our friends who are watching this presentation in the Middle East, well, according to the availability of products there in your country, what we recommend is flax oil, spirulina, avla, colostrum, rice bran. This is your immunity pack. Coconut oil benefits, I would definitely encourage you to follow the videos of Dr. B.M. Hegde, Padma Shri Dr. B.M. Hegde. Now, Padma Shri is a sign of honor, is a recognition that a civilian gets. It's the highest recognition that a civilian can get in my country, India. And Dr. B.M. Hegde is a Padma Shri. Look at his videos as to why coconut oil is important for you and me. Enhances immune system, yes, but it is an excellent brain tonic. Then we have sea buckthorn, which definitely builds up the immune system, but it provides an array of 3, 6, 7, and 9 omega-3 fatty acids. Colostrum, a dairy product, amazing for hormonal imbalances and enhancing our immune system. Spirulina. Spirulina considered as superfood. World Health Organization recommends spirulina to 1-day-old babies who are deprived of mother's milk. WHO. Why? Their research certifies that all the nutrition available in mother's milk is also available in spirulina. And a 1-day-old baby can digest spirulina. NASA, for all its astronauts going on space missions, spirulina is one of their staple diets. So from a 1-day-old baby to an astronaut, all consuming spirulina. What about you and me? And one of the beauty of this blue-green algae is, this is the only blue-green algae on planet Earth that remains green, even after it is dried in the sun. So it has the ability to hold on to all its nutrition. This should be sitting on our dining table. You and I should be consuming this daily. Avla, Indian gooseberry, considered as the richest source of vitamin, natural source of vitamin C. Enhances our immune system, yes, but what has the Institute for Functional Medicine to say about vitamin C? Vitamin C contributes to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions of the immune system, Vitamin C has been used in hospital ICUs to treat COVID-19 patients. So if treatment, this is working, it will definitely help in prevention. Curcumin, my favorite. Even while I'm speaking to you, I am sipping my curcumin water. It is the core and concentrate form of turmeric. And what has the Institute for Functional Medicine to say about curcumin in specific? 500 to 1000 milligram twice daily, curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation and decrease the viral activity of COVID-19. How good is that? Prevention is better than cure. So let's start on this today. When we talk in terms of Ganoderma, it is the king of herbs, a racine category. And the beauty of Ganoderma has been included in coffee, and it is available in capsule form too. The benefits of holy basil, which is called as Panch Tulsi, the highly concentrate form, 2-3 drops in your glass of water once every day, can boost your immune system, antibacterial properties, slows down aging, and works super against fevers. Giloy again is a herb that comes in juice form, good for our immune system, boosts our digestion. So what can you be assured when you start consuming supplements? One is energy. You'll be able to quantify that. Tangible experience, super energy throughout the day. Appetite is balanced. You eat when you're hungry. You digest properly. Sleep, sound sleep. 4, cleansing. Proper urination, clear stools, sweating. It gives you the desire to exercise, sweating out of exercise. Regular monthly cycle for women. Women who are going through menopause, hot flushes, supplements do very well in taking care of mood swings. And 5 is clarity of thought. This is what we can assure you when you start taking supplements regularly. So here, friends, we have got our immunity booster pack. This is my family. What about you? Don't just tell us, we need to show us. You know, this is me weighing a 98 kilos and then coming down to 78, 80. This is Mr. Eknath Kumbar. The effect of supplements. And Advocate Sandeep Deshpande, a leading criminal lawyer from the city that I come from, Pune. I have met Advocate when he was weighing 155 kilograms. And now he's an average of 100 and 110, all with the help of food supplements, a young banker. Now don't get an impression that these supplements work only on men. They work on women as well. But when we are doing a public presentation, it becomes difficult to flash photographs of women. But you name the disease and we will be able to help you with testimonials. From diabetes to cancer, hypertension, cholesterol, arthritis, diabetes, ischemic heart disease, chronic kidney disease, heart failure, depression, Alzheimer's, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorders. We've got amazing testimonials. But please remember, we've already told you before, food supplements are not medicines. These are adjuvants. These enhance the effect of medication. Who then is the best doctor? Have you ever thought about it? The best doctor is the human body. The body is the best doctor, provided you are giving your body the best of its kind. Lifestyle, change your lifestyle. Warm water, meditation for 30 minutes, change the way you cook, change the way you eat. And food supplements. Start consuming regular food supplements. You strengthen your body. Your body fights the disease. So we are not talking of that old tree, the barren tree. We are talking of the tree of life. Fun, freedom, friends. And when does your tree become full of life? When you have the best things in the root. Healthy lifestyle and food supplements. Don't wait. Order now. You can place your order now. Best Deals offers you groceries, mobiles, books, jewelry, kitchen, whatever you may want. Different offers going on Vestige Best Deals. You buy products worth 2,000 rupees consistently for 3 months. Third month. In the 4th month, you get 1,000 rupees worth products free. You've got a bigger family. Well, you shop groceries for 3,500 rupees per month. You do it for 6 months. In the 7th month, you take home 3,000 worth products, 3,500 worth products free. How do you evaluate this, friends? You have your fixed expenses every month. What we are telling you is to convert your fixed expenses to an income. 55% of your expenses is going towards wellness products. Mark my words, please write this down. This is based on experience, this is not based on data. 27% of your expenses is towards cosmetics and personal care. 3% of your expenses, even now at home, is on home care. 85% of your expenses can be converted to an investment. Common sense. Change your shop now. Look at it from a business perspective, because here you're here to take a business decision. Vestige Best Deals is on the potential winner side. Why? We have product and service for agriculture. We are into e-commerce. Our product and services are available online. Click of the button and it's delivered home at your doorstep. Information communication technology is what we are using to get you training. Personal and healthcare, wide range. Food processing and retail, we are available. So all these star markers point out that you're taking the right business decision tonight. And what is the next big thing? Wellness and online. And it's coming to you free. Vestige started its operations in 2004 in Delhi, an Indian company. Started with 2 outlets, one in Delhi, one in Bangalore. In 16 years of operation, 2004 to 2020, you just saw the 16th anniversary video presentation before we started this business presentation. In 16 years, 2,000 stores across India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal, plus product and services available online at the click of your button, 3 working days delivered at your doorstep. What you need to understand within this 16 years, it's just 16 years, young company has already bagged the award for becoming the best company of the year, best nutraceutical company of the year, national best employer brand, global HR excellence award. Globally, we are doing a compound annual growth rate of 79% per annum. There could be some analysts, some business specialists, some economists who are watching this presentation. Please make a note of this. Compound annual growth rate 79% per annum. Why? Quality products, economically priced, available online and offline. And mind you, 79% per annum is our growth rate for the past 10 years in a row. Change your shop now. Internationally, Vestige is ranked 30th in the top 100 companies of the world. Say hello to Mr. Gautam Bali, our managing director and founder, under whose able leadership, Vestige has been scaling these heights. Ranked 30th in the world. You need to understand this ranking. And the only Indian company to feature in this list. We take a lot of pride in doing this. So yeah, friends, when we are talking in terms of having scaled to the top 30th company in the world and moving towards global #1, well, the Prime Minister of my country has made a clarion call, become vocal for local. We are not only vocal for local, we are global. Vestige is now operating in UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Thailand. Very soon coming up is Ghana, Nigeria, Philippines, Nepal. So yes, we think global, but we act local. Our international outlets, state-of-the-art training facilities, meeting rooms. But now for your comfort and your security, keeping COVID in mind and social distancing in mind, all training and teaching is available online. Leadership skills, online. Business presentation, online. Health orientation, health workshop, online. Women health and hygiene, online. Women empowerment, online. You want to enhance your communication skills, online training programs, free. You want to know how to explore digital and social media, online training program, free. What more can you ask for, friends? A trusted brand is knocking at your door. A tried, tested, and trusted brand. How do you get started? A simple form, name, address, date of birth, mobile number, email address, your local ID card, Send it to your friend who has sent you this link, or ask them to share the app with you. You can self-register. You get a unique global ID number. Download the apps, Best Deals shopping app. You get the username and password. Start playing with the app. The moment you get yourself a customer ID, you become an online global business owner for free. You become an online global business owner for free. What are the advantages of this customer ID? Well, if you're in India, whenever you use this customer ID for shopping, you get products, you get discounts worth 10 to 20% on the MRP. 10% worth products free on every purchase. Every month there are new offers that keep rolling. You walk into the store or you go online and you make a shopping worth 3,000, 3,300. Do it consecutively for 4 months. In the 5th month, you take home 2,500 worth products free. You know, I've just got myself 8 cans of 2 liters of rice bran oil for free. And every 5th month. That is why we marked a super saver. Consistency is what it is technically called in Vestige. Super saver. 4 months of consecutive shopping, 3,300 rupees into 4. 5th month taking home 2,500 worth products free. And don't forget, you've already taken 10% worth products free. You've already got a discount of 10 to 20% on the MRP. All your big Star, Nesto, Lulu, Big and Star and Fresh, everything is laid to rest against this one offer. Change your shop now. And this is not all. The best is yet to come. Shopping converted into points, points calculated, and the equivalent and proportionate amount according to the percentage credited to your bank. 16 years, Vestige has been crediting money into the account of consumers. You've been going to a store. Has any store owner ever credited money in your bank? Change your shop now. Watching this presentation, there are more than about 250 people watching this presentation. I know people on this group who are making 10 to 20,000 Indian rupees per month. I know of families who are taking home 30 to 50,000 rupees per month through this system. I know of families who are taking a lakh of rupees per month. If I have to talk about the benefits that I have made out of this, 3 years since I have changed my shop. I changed my shop in 2016. The income that comes out of Vestige into my account, I pay GST in my country. You find out with your friend what does that mean and how much is my income. This is the reality, friends. Now, how does this money come? Not only with your shopping. How much shopping can you and I do? I mean, we are going to shop what we need for the house, right? When you recommend this store to your family and friends, your customer ID is linked with theirs. Whatever shopping they continue to do in this store, the points is shared with all. So you're not only making points when you shop, points are getting credited to your account even when your friends and family who you have recommended shop. How good is that? Change your shop now. If you're watching this presentation in the Middle East, all calculations remain same. Converted into dirham, 10 to 20% discount, 10% worth products free. Do some shopping for 270 dirham per month. Do it for 4 months. 5th month, 218 dirham worth products free. Shopping points calculated. You can collect money, cash from the counter. So yeah, friends, I don't want to keep you confused. So many years of shopping, no shopkeeper gave you money, and how come Vestige is giving money since 16 years? That too crediting it to the bank. Legitimate source of income. Not something under the table. Well, conventionally, there is a manufacturer, you and I are consumers. Product and services don't come directly. They come through a channel called advertisement. You think advertisements happen for free? Please think about it. A leading actor comes on the stage and tells you, use this mobile phone. This is the best one on the block. You think he said it for free? And the price is marked on the phone. So you and I have not only paid money for the phone, we have also paid for the advertisement. This is how it works, conventionally. A leading sports player, a leading film actor celebrity endorses a product, there is a money that they get. Their dreams are coming true with that money. They make enough to buy a new house, to buy a new car. What about you and me, consumers? We are paying money for the product and the advertisement. What Vestige has done for the past 16 years, they have eliminated advertisement. No advertisement. Satisfied consumers are recommending product and services to their family and friends. The money that Vestige Best Deals makes in saving from advertisement, they give it back to the customer. You don't remain as a consumer. You and I become a smart consumer. Consumer empowerment opportunity. Simple, no advertisement. Many of my friends ask me, 16-year-old company, 79% annual growth rate. How come I have never heard about this store before? You haven't heard about it, friend, because we don't advertise. And even without advertisement, we are growing. Why you think without advertisement growth is not possible? Talk about social media. How did you join Facebook? How did you download WhatsApp? How did you migrate to Instagram? You saw an advertisement. Your favorite sports star came and told you to do it. Or celebrity came and endorsed. No, nothing. Without advertisement. Facebook has more than 1.6 billion users without advertisement. Why? That's the power of word of mouth. You liked a movie, you recommended it to your family and friends, haven't you? What did you gain? You ate at a fancy restaurant, you liked the food. You recommended it to your family and friends. They went eat. What did you gain? Nothing. Vestige appreciates your every recommendation and rewards you. So here, friends, be smart and buy smart. Because I asked you a question in the beginning, who wakes you up? Your dreams or your alarm? Well, if you have some dreams that are still waking you up, you're at the right place. Because here on this platform in Vestige, you can plan financial freedom in the next 2 to 3 years. You can plan for an early retirement, a dream house, a dream car, making parents happy, comfort, traveling around the world, higher education for children, social service. So many dreams we have in the depth of our heart. Do we have a platform to make those dreams come true? Vestige has the potential to make our dreams come true. We are living our dreams. How? Because Vestige has got an enrichment plan. Vestige provides us 9 types of income. Retail profit, performance bonus, special director bonus, business building bonus, leadership overriding bonus, travel fund, car fund, house fund, elite club fund. 9 types of income. When you buy a soap from your store, you already have a soap, a shampoo, a toothpaste, a cooking oil, color cosmetics. You've all got these things at home, right? Did 9 types of income follow you? No. When you start shopping at Vestige, 9 types of income follow you. So when you wake up in the morning and you press your tube and you get paste on your brush, well, we do the same. But when we are using a DentaSure, a DentaWhite or a Gano paste, when we press the tube, paste comes on the brush, money comes in the bank. What comes out of your soap and your shampoo? Foam. Well, soap and shampoo from Vestige also gives you foam and money in the bank. Change your shop now. When we are consuming healthy food supplements, money is getting credited to the bank. Common sense, friends. You have 2 options with you. You can choose to become a smart consumer. Change your shop. Maybe you're not keen on building up the business. Fine. We respect your decision. Become a smart consumer. In 4 months, your saving is almost 1900. When I'm talking of rupees, you convert it into your dirham. I think it's 21 rupees, around 20 dirham is a rupee or whatever. So you check. 1900 rupees of saving per month just by becoming a smart consumer. 3,500, 4,000 rupees worth of shopping every month. If you want to become an entrepreneur, you need to motivate 6 people to change their shop. Those 6 people motivate more 6 people. It goes on. You have a choice. But whatever you choose, whether you want to become a smart consumer or a smart entrepreneur, your start has to be right. I'm sure you'll agree with this. Because the right start is 99% winning of the race. What we recommend you to start as a fast start 8%er. What is the depth and mathematics of a fast start 8%er? Please contact the person who has shared this link with you. They will give you more details as to what is the meaning of a fast start 8%er. That is the smartest way to either become a smart consumer or a smart entrepreneur. So choose wise, friends. A smart consumer, 4,000 rupees worth of shopping, do it for 4 months. 5th month, 2,500 rupees worth products free. Money saved is money earned, value for money. Well, if you want to become a smart entrepreneur, start your purchase with 8,500. Download the Winning Team app. I'll be speaking to you more about it. Consistent in your purchases every month, not 8,500, just 4,000 rupees also every month, good enough. Make a list with whom you want to share this opportunity. Plan 20,000 Indian rupees. That's about 1,000 to 1,500 dirham per month. 20,000 Indian rupees per month. In the next 3 months is what you can plan. To build a global business, friends, we need 2 vital ingredients: a global business platform and an education system. A global platform is Vestige, 79% per annum compound annual growth rate, ranked 30th in the world. Education system is Winning Team Education System. Why Winning Team Education System? We are empowering people to realize their dreams by providing them with the best education to build a long-term, duplicable, sustainable and profitable biggest independent business with values and principles. Download this app now. The Winning Team app has got a feature called the CEP, Continuous Education Program. Subscribe. You have loaded information with how to build this business. Because friends, it is very important to seek the right advice. You want to become a chartered accountant? You talk to a chartered accountant. You want to become a lawyer? You speak to a lawyer. You want to become an engineer? Speak to an engineer. You want to become a corporate trainer? Speak to a corporate trainer. Take advice from the right people. The Winning Team Education System gives you connect to successful entrepreneurs who are successful in this business. They are not trainers. They are not trainers. They are doers. And they share their secrets with you. Our chief mentor, Mr. S.P. Varel, is one of the 50 global most admired Indians for his contribution in this industry. The Winning Team Education platform is about transformation. We don't do motivation because motivation is temporary. Transformation is permanent. Your personality begins to change. Your communication skills, your digital connect. It's a 180-degree change in your personality. Your spirituality is enhanced because this opportunity you need to share. Sharing doesn't come easy for those who are not spiritual. We are not talking of religion here, friends. Spirituality is different. Sharing. We learn to give this opportunity with many people. And what scriptures teach us is those who know how to give, they sleep very peacefully. Welcome. 2 questions are bothering you at this moment. Only 2 questions, nothing more. How to build this business? Why to build this business? How to change the shop? Why to change the shop? How to change the shop? Download the app, you place your order online, or you visit the store closest to you. That is how you shop. Now, why you want to change your shop? Discounts, international quality products, economical price. That's your why. But when it comes to the business, friends, how to build the business? Don't worry, you're not alone. The friend who shared this link with you is standing with you. The entire Winning Team Education System is with you to teach you, to guide you, to handhold you how to build the business. What you need to be very clear is why. What are the dreams that you want to make real through this opportunity? Your dreams is your why. That's the $1 million question. If your why is clear, don't worry about the how. We are there to stand by you. If I'm able to share with you stories about my family, look at what has happened in my home. This is my daughter Pearl, standing with her fully automatic Baleno. I gifted this to my daughter through the Vestige Car Fund. I told you 9 types of income: travel fund, house fund, car fund. Through the car fund. My good friend, Mr. Eknath Kumbar, Within 2 years of having changed his shop, drove home a top-end version, sunroof of a Hyundai Verna. Change your shop now. And there are more than 5,000 people like us who have got a car parked outside their house through the Vestige Car Fund. And there are more than 300 people who have got a luxury car out of the Vestige Car Fund. So dear friends, it's a wise decision for you to change your shop now. The smart you is when you download the Vestige online shopping app, Best Deals app, and the Winning Team Education app. This is the beginning of a smart you and your smartphone. We have all online training programs at various times. The friend who shared the link with you will also update you with the various links of all the training programs that we offer. We've been busy doing Zoom meetings on a ship. We've been building the business across the countries. We have sessions to ask the expert, take proper advice from the right people. Special training programs every day evening 7 o'clock. One day we have a health workshop. One day we have in Hindi. One day we have in English. Our friends in Dubai are conducting presentations in Nepali. Very soon in Tagalog for the Filipinos. Special training programs happening everywhere. 4:30 in the evening, we do a program in Tamil, in Hindi, in Marathi, in Gujarati. Special training program. Sundays, we do a program for women, mompreneur. Because the dynamics and role of a mother and a woman in the house is changing in the post-COVID era. So we have a special session for women called mompreneur. International leadership friends. Trainings, events, recognitions. We have an E-Halla Bowl series happening. It's happening on the 28th of June. Connect with your friends who have shared this link with you and they will give you more information about the E-Halla Bowl. Our Winning Attitude book. It's a success testimonial book. You need to take a good look at this. Doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, engineers, class 1 government officers, medical staff, teachers, homemakers, entrepreneurs, corporate trainers, everybody are successful in this system. And this is the success book that we have. It's a compilation of all their stories. So friends, a global platform and a global education system is knocking at your door. This is the right place, the right time, and the right decision for you. If you are woken up by your dreams, you are at the right place. If you want to explore an online business idea for free, you are at the right place. If you want to be a part of the next big thing, you are absolutely at the right place. An additional source of income, right place. You want to convert your monthly expenses to an investment, you are at the right place. You like to connect with people, you want to build a business which is work from home, you are at the right place. Do you plan to leverage your time and effort? You are at the right place. Do you want to protect the health of your family and yourself? You are at the right place. Are you willing to learn new skill sets, to develop both personally and spiritually? You are at the right place. Do you want to leave a legacy behind? Do something that your name will be remembered even after you leave. You are at the right place. Because the global entrepreneurship movement, friends, is about above prosperity thoughts, above prosperity actions. Hashtag work from home. So welcoming you to this global entrepreneurship movement. Connect with your friends who shared this link with you, and they will definitely be able to share more information with you.